Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, my professor and all classmates. I'm Nadatul Khatijah binti Mahmud Alaih Kasim, and I will be discussing about Malaysia as a multicultural nation. Today, for my course English for Oral Communication, OUMH 1303, and I'm from Terengganu Learning Centre. Nowadays, Malaysia is a special country where people from many ethnic backgrounds, faith, and custom coexist together. What really set our nation apart is its diversity. The main ethnic group in Malaysia, their custom, holidays, and the way that multiculturalism strengthen the country will all be covered in my address. Part 1, Task 1. About a recorded speech presentation 5. Ladies and gentlemen, nice to meet all of you today. I hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to talk in very interesting topic. This topic about my beloved country, Malaysia. Malaysia is a multicultural country. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let me talk the first point, introduction. Introduction about the racial, cultural, and religious diversity of Malaysia is well known. The three major ethnic groupings, including Indians group, are Chinese, Indian, and Malay. A tranquil country where various cultures coexist peacefully. They highlighting Malaysia's distinct multicultural identity and its effect on society is the main goal. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let me talk the second point, main body. Let's start by discussing the Malay community. Malaysia majority ethnic group. The Malay are Muslims. The baju kurung for women and the baju Melayu for male. For example of their traditional dress. Major celebration like Hari Raya Aidilfitri for nowadays and Hari Raya Haji are observed by the Malay in terms of cuisine. They appreciate food like satay, rendang, and nasi lemak. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let me talk the third point. The Chinese community come next. They are primarily Christian, Buddha, and Tao. The Tang Sui for men and the Xiong Sam for women are, for example, of their traditional attire. One of the most important holiday is the Chinese New Year, which is celebration with family get together, Christmas decoration, and lion dance. Dim sum, char kway teow, and Hainan chicken rice are popular Chinese food. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let me talk the 4 point. Another significant component of Malaysia multicultural identity is the Indian community. While some adhere to Christian or Sikh, the majority of Indian in Malaysia are Hindu. The kurta for men and the sari for ladies, for example of their traditional attire. One well-known festival is Deepavali, often known as the festival of light, with delicious like roti chana, nasi kandar, and banana leaf rice. Indian cuisine is renowned for its depth of flavor. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let me talk the 5 point. In addition to these three main ethnic, Malaysia is home to indigenous population such as the Dayak and Kadazandusun, people in Sabah and Sarawak, and the orang asli in Peninsula Malaysia. They have distinctive language, custom, and holiday like Keamatan and Gawai Dayak. The various culinary legacy of Malaysia also include their traditional dishes such as hinawa and umai. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let me talk the 6 point. In Malaysia, multiculturalism has several advantages. It draws tourism from all around the world, foster understanding between people, and fortify nation solidarity. The idea of the Malaysian nation of bangsa Malaysia symbolizes our solidarity in spite of our differences. Through a number of programs and laws, the government also contribute to maintaining racial peace. About conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in summary, the diversified society of Malaysia is a tremendous asset. Our culture is a live and rich because of our many ethnic groups, customs and festivals. As Malaysians, we should continue to coexist peacefully and take pride in our diversity. Malaysia is unique because of its unity in diversity philosophy. I want to leave you with this truth as I wrap up my speech. Malaysia is a stunning patchwork of culture coexist as one nation. Thank you. About reference, for references, comment Fostering Multicultural Understanding in Malaysia 2023 October 24 Malaysia Kini Culture of Malaysia 2023 August 2 Wikipedia The Free Encyclopedia refresh March 20 2025 Google search mygov.nd.mygov The Government of Malaysia Official Portal Ramadura.c.2021 March 9 Malaysia Harmony approved to live BBC Breaking News World News US News Sport Business Innovation Climate Cultural Travel Video and Audio S. Siwanana Shewi Dr. Chompoh Wan Chuang Eong Keng Cik Nuralina Muhammad 2023 CS English for Oral Communication Open University Malaysia wishnet.b.v.n.d. Culture of Malaysia Tourism Malaysia. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.